To the Wish Band. Ang galing-galing po ng band ninyo. Grabe.
Ang ganda ng band nila.
And of course, I want to say thank you to our musical director, Jason Quintane. Ayun pa naman. Ugi-ugi mo. Ayun pa naman. Ang galing ninyo. Ang galing nila. Di ba palakpakan po natin yung ating Wish Band? Sobrang galing, sobrang galing. And it is such a privilege to be able to perform with you guys. Andyan pala kayo. May tao pala dito. Galing nyo rin Wait! Andyan din pala kayo. Oo. Yun pong drummer namin, babae, kakakasal ng puno. Oo. Congratulations din. Thank you so much. Again, I want to say thank you to Wish for having us and for always supporting OPM, including me. Thank you so much. And I hope that you continue to support OPM. And sana magkita-kita tayo ulit. Hopefully next year. Diba no? Maraming salamat po. Is it okay if I sing another song? Wala naman kayong choice. Nandito na ako. Yes. This is actually a special song for me because this is the first, kasi yung movie ko na to, unang-unang starring role ko po ever sa movie career ko. And this was very special. This was written by Martin Rivera and Blue Lock. And thank you for having us here. Thank you for being here. We hope that you enjoyed tonight. And let me just greet all of you. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Sana po maging masaya ang inyong Pasko at maging masagana ang inyong bahay. Wala kayong Christmas? Walang Pasko? Ano lang? Ha? Halika kuya. I-orient mo ako. Hindi ko alam eh. Ano hindi ko alam eh? Ha? Oh, yun naman pala. Sabi ni ate, araw-araw Pasko. Pasensya, hindi ko alam. Bakit wala kayong Pasko?
Araw-araw po Pasko namin.
Araw-araw kasi Pasko. There are happy Christmas every day. Merry Christmas every day, di ba? Well, thank you very much. Sir, ano po pangalan mo?
Jory.
Flory? Bakit Flory? Ano ba yung pangalan mo, Flory din? Di ba may gano'n? Ano lang, Flory lang talaga. Nung pinanganak ka, sabi ng nanay mo, Flory! Naisip ng nanay mo, Flory. Bakit Flory?
Lorenzo.
Uy, magandang pangalan at Florencio. Pabira ka naman, doon ko naman yung pinahila. Ano yung magkasing tangkad kayo? This is Flory. I'm sorry, honey, pero mas pogi siya. Okay. Thank you very much. Araw-araw Pasko. Lori! Dito Ogie kasi dito ang Lori. Okay. Well, again, thank you very much, and I'd like to sing this song for all of you.